The ocean and its marine life hold many mysteries that have fascinated scientists, explorers, and curious minds for centuries. Despite the significant advancements in marine research, much of the ocean remains unexplored, with some estimates suggesting that over 80% of the world's oceans have yet to be mapped, observed, or understood. Here are some key mysteries and areas of intrigue related to the ocean and marine life. 1. The depths of the ocean. The deep ocean is one of the most unexplored areas on Earth. In the abyssal depths, beneath 200 meters, 656 feet, the pressure, darkness, and cold create an environment that is difficult to study. Some areas, such as the Mariana Trench, are deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Many organisms that live in these regions have never been observed, and scientists continue to uncover new species adapted to extreme conditions. 2. Bioluminescence. Many marine organisms, including jellyfish, fish, and plankton, produce their own light in the form of bioluminescence. The exact reasons why these organisms glow are still not fully understood. It is believed to help with communication, attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. The variety and mechanisms behind bioluminescence remain a subject of ongoing research. 3. The Great Ocean Conveyor Belt. Thermohaline circulation. The global ocean circulation, sometimes called the Great Ocean Conveyor Belt, is a complex system of currents that regulate the Earth's climate. Cold, dense water sinks in the polar regions and flows towards the equator, while warmer surface water travels towards the poles. This system affects everything from weather patterns to carbon cycling, yet its precise long-term impact on global climate remains a mystery. 4. Unidentified marine species. There are countless species of marine life that remain undiscovered, particularly in remote or deep-sea regions. New species of fish, cephalopods, and other organisms are regularly found, and many marine creatures evolve in strange and unique ways to survive in harsh environments. Scientists suspect that there are many more creatures waiting to be discovered. 5. Ocean dead zones. An ocean dead zone is an area of water where oxygen levels are so low that most marine life cannot survive. These zones are primarily caused by human activities, such as agricultural runoff, pollution, and climate change. While scientists understand the causes of dead zones, the full ecological and long-term effects on marine ecosystems are still under investigation. 6. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, located between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is a region infamous for mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. While there are scientific explanations, such as methane hydrate releases, rapid changes in weather, or human error, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of fascination and speculation, with many theories about the unknown. 7. Ocean acidification. The increasing levels of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere are being absorbed by the oceans, leading to a process called ocean acidification. This is a serious threat to marine life, especially organisms with calcium carbonate shells and skeletons, like corals and shellfish. While scientists understand the chemistry behind acidification, the full impact on marine ecosystems and food webs is still not entirely understood. 8. Migration patterns. Marine creatures, such as whales, sea turtles, and salmon, have incredibly long and complex migration patterns, traveling thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. While scientists have made significant progress in tracking and understanding these migrations, some of the exact navigational mechanisms, such as how animals sense the Earth's magnetic fields or celestial cues, are still unclear. 9. The role of the microbiome. Marine ecosystems host vast and complex microbial communities that play crucial roles in everything from nutrient cycling to the health of coral reefs. The exact functioning of these microbiomes, especially in extreme environments like hydrothermal vents or polar seas, remains an area of intense study. 10. The Lost City of Atlantis. The legend of Atlantis, a mythical sunken city, has captured imaginations for centuries. Some believe that ancient civilizations may have left behind remnants in underwater ruins, but no definitive evidence has been found. While the myth of Atlantis remains a mystery, discoveries of ancient shipwrecks, submerged cities, and lost civilizations are constant reminders that the ocean holds historical secrets. Conclusion. The ocean is not only a source of mystery due to its depths and creatures, but also because of the complex interactions between its ecosystems and global processes. As technology improves and exploration techniques evolve, more secrets about the ocean and its marine life will likely be uncovered, offering deeper insights into both the history of our planet and the future of its health.